busy training for the 100th edition of the Comrades Marathon. Currently I'm running at 12 minutes per kilometer, and it's way too slow, but we'll see. For the first couple of days, so we'll see. For those that follow me, please like and subscribe. The channel is completely free. You will see how the progress goes for the next couple of months to come. I'm walking now around about 300 meters, but I'm gonna get going.